Okay, here is the raw footage of my Zippo Pay case study, all shot in one day. Some on my GoPro, some on my phone camera. So what you're seeing here is inside of my Zippo Pay account, and this is the done for you website, complete web funnel and product that you get to start you off as a Zippo Pay vendor. So even if you don't have your own product, you're good to go. You can see it's the 18th here, about 3 o'clock, and 18 leads we're starting out with. That's what I got a little bit earlier in the day before I started filming. So now this next clip, refresh the page, same product, same account. I'm going to take you down again, show you this stats, the updated stats, and we are at now 33 leads generated so far and 2 paid sales actually at $10 each, so that's $20 we've made so far. We're about 25 minutes in, you can see there in the corner. Now this next clip, it's 2 hours into the case study, still the 18th, and you can see 84 leads and 10 sales. If you caught it there, you can always back up the video if you missed it. But that's $100 that we've made in 2 hours. And now for this final clip in the case study, I'm going to show you at about 11:30 at night, same product again. I scroll down inside my vendor account, and we are at, drum roll, 148 leads and 33 sales. So that's $330 in sales. You can see the sales coming in my PayPal account there. The $10 sales, there's some other sales in there, but the $10 sales are from Zippo Pay. And then I will take you can see it's the DLCM system there. What you get with Zippo Pay, you can see the sales there throughout the day, all in one day, $330. And then one final thing here, I'm going to do a screenshot a few days later here, so you can see that the sales and the leads just keep on coming. They don't stop just because my case study stopped. So we're at 271 leads generated a few days later and 69 orders. That's $690 in income, and I haven't touched it since that initial day. Just a few minutes of work, set up some traffic to get the ball rolling, and then you can see the results just keep coming. So I hope you've enjoyed the case study here. Recorded live proof that Zippo Pay does everything that it's claimed and more. So thanks for checking it out, and back